Here's something crazy. The Yamaha MT-07 has been around for years, and somehow it still keeps embarrassing bikes that cost way more money. In a market packed with high-tech monsters and horsepower wars, this middleweight naked bike refuses to fade away. And honestly, that might be the biggest flex of all. Because while everyone is chasing bigger engines and wild electronics, the MT-07 keeps doing one thing really well. It delivers pure fun. And if you've ever twisted the throttle on one of these things, you already know exactly what I'm talking about. At the heart of the MT-07 sits Yamaha's famous parallel twin engine. It's punchy, aggressive, and loaded with character. The power delivery doesn't feel intimidating, but it definitely doesn't feel boring either. Crack open the throttle and the bike launches forward with an energy that catches a lot of riders by surprise. This isn't one of those motorcycles that demands racetrack skills just to enjoy it. It's fast enough to put a huge grin on your face. It's friendly enough for newer riders to grow into, and it's exciting enough that experienced riders keep coming back for more. That's a combination most manufacturers spend years trying to perfect. But here's the real thing. The magic of the MT-07 has never been about top speed. It's about attitude. The upright riding position gives you confidence in traffic. The wide handlebars make the bike feel playful. Tight city streets become entertaining. Twisty back roads turn into your personal playground. You don't have to plan an epic road trip to enjoy this motorcycle. Even a quick ride to grab coffee suddenly feels like an event. And this is where it gets interesting. Yamaha has continued refining the MT-07 over the years. Updated styling gave it a sharper, more aggressive face. The suspension setup improved. The braking performance became more confidence-inspiring. The technology also stepped up. Modern versions offer riders actually use instead of flashy gimmicks. The display is cleaner. Connectivity features have entered the picture. Rider-focused upgrades make daily ownership easier without taking away that raw MT personality fans fell in love with. Now, there has been plenty of chatter among motorcycle enthusiasts about where Yamaha takes the MT-07 next. Some riders are hoping for even more advanced electronics, others want fully adjustable suspension, a few dream about a power boost. As of now, many of those ideas remain speculation. Yamaha hasn't confirmed every rumor floating around online. But if history tells us anything, it's that the company understands exactly what makes this motorcycle special. Change too much and you lose the soul. Change too little and you get left behind. Yamaha has managed to walk that line surprisingly well. By the way, if you're enjoying this breakdown and love staying updated on the latest motorcycle news and reviews, hit that like button and subscribe. It genuinely helps the channel grow and lets us keep bringing you more content like this. Now let's talk about value, because this is one area where the MT-07 absolutely punches above its weight. You get performance that's exciting, handling that's approachable, looks that turn heads, and reliability that Yamaha has built its reputation on. For many riders in the United States, this becomes the motorcycle that does almost everything. Need a weekday commuter? It handles that. Weekend canyon runs? Absolutely. First big bike after learning the basics? No problem. A machine to keep in the garage even after upgrading to something more powerful? Believe it or not, plenty of riders do exactly that. That's because the MT-07 doesn't rely on outrageous horsepower numbers to justify its existence. It relies on making you smile every single ride. In today's motorcycle world, that's becoming increasingly rare. Some bikes impress on paper but leave you cold emotionally. Others deliver excitement but demand compromises that make daily ownership frustrating. The MT-07 sits right in that sweet spot. Exciting without being exhausting, practical without being boring, accessible without feeling cheap. And maybe that's why this motorcycle has developed such a loyal following. People buy it expecting a stepping stone, then they end up falling in love with it. They modify it, travel with it, keep it for years, recommend it to friends, and defend it in comment sections like it's a member of the family. That's not something spec sheets can explain. That's connection. So, is the MT-07 the fastest naked bike on the market? No. Is it the most powerful? Also no. Is it trying to be? Not even close. What it offers instead is something many motorcycles forget in the pursuit of numbers: fun. Pure, uncomplicated fun. And honestly, that might be exactly why the MT-07 continues to dominate conversations year after year. Because long after the horsepower debates end and the latest trends fade away, riders remember one simple thing: how a motorcycle made them feel. And the Yamaha MT-07 has been making riders feel alive for a very long time. But what do you think? Is the MT-07 still the king of middleweight naked bikes, or has another machine finally taken its crown? Let me know down in the comments. I'm genuinely curious to hear where you stand on this one.